Hi everyone, this is Kim from KILA Create Printables. Welcome to this tutorial. Today I wanted to show you these Whimsical Wonderland hidden paper clips. So these are a new addition to my Etsy store and they match the rest of the Whimsical Wonderland range. And I just wanted to quickly show you today how to put these together. So the printable comes with a set of 4 paper clips and each paper clip comes on a sheet like this. The first sheet in the set has some basic instructions on how to put these together, but I thought it might be nice just to do a quick little demonstration for you as well. So what we have is a base piece, and there's 2 lines where that will need to be folded, and the paper clip's going to go over this fold here. And then there's a top piece that will go over that with just the one fold, and then there's a couple of pockets and some fussy cuts and ephemera that you can use however you like to decorate these. So before I get into, I've already put 3 together, but before I get into showing you how to put the 4th one together, I just thought I'd also mention that I've printed these ones out. I've cut them with my Cricut. So because Cricut tends to reduce things in size to fit them onto the mat, so that's why these look quite a bit smaller than when printed at 100%. So if you want to have them larger, then you'll need to cut these out by hand, but I just sort of wanted to check that these would work on my Cricut as well as being able to be cut out by hand. So I'll just put this page aside for now, and I'll just show you the 3 that I've already put together. So each one comes with 2 pockets. So there's a little front pocket that's got a quote on it, and then if we flip them over, there's some vertical pockets that go on the back. So you can put those and orient those any way you like. You don't even have to use them if you don't want to. They're just there just in case you want to. And then I've used some of the fussy cuts just to decorate that, and then I've slipped the little tags and another fussy cut into those pockets at the back. And then there's also some more ephemera and other fussy cuts on the front. So you'll find that these sweet little paper clips have a lot to use and a lot to play with, but you can use each piece however you like and decorate however you want to. So I'll just put those aside for now, and I'll get to showing you how to put these together. So with the base piece, as I said before, there's 2 lines that we need to fold those on. So I've scored those with my scoreboard. You can use whatever you like to score them. You can just fold them if you like, if you don't have a scoreboard. And what we want to do is fold the rounded corner piece, that's the front piece, and then we want to fold this other piece up the back and glue that down. Okay, now you are going to need some paper clips for this project. So I've just got some of the larger, I'm not sure what size they are. These ones are 50 mil, but you can obviously use whatever size paper clip you like. And we just slip that over that top fold. Then we want to take our top piece and fold that where indicated. And then we glue that to the front. Then just flip it over and glue that down to the back as well. Okay, so these pockets, I have put tabs on them so that when they're stuck on, they sort of have a little bit more space inside them, but if you don't want to use those tabs, you can just cut them off and glue these pieces on however you like. Thank you for watching this KILA Create Printables tutorial. I hope you enjoyed crafting along with me today as I put together these Whimsical Wonderland hidden paper clips. Don't forget to check the description down below for links to my Etsy store where you can find the Whimsical Wonderland range and a lot of other printables. You might like to also come and find me on Facebook and join my group. We have lots of crafting fun and you can download a stack of freebies.